Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this video. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3024, type of triangle. So you're given an 0 index integer array of nums of size 3, which can form the sides of a triangle. If it's equilateral, it has sides of equal length. If it's isosceles, it has two sides of equal length. And it's scaling if all of its sides are of different lengths. And we have to, what's this? The constraints. Num length is equal to 3, okay, and each length has to be between 1 and 100. So I'm just going to write down some notes here. So straight away, oh, here we go. Notes hashes in Python, isn't it? For notes, there we go. So I'm thinking we need to do a check to see if all sides are equal. If they are, return equilateral. Then I think for the other two, we should sort them, and that means we can check the first two indexes and the last two indexes, and if either of them are equal, then we know that it's isosceles. Sort, then we do sort the array, check if first two or last two elements are equal. If so, return isosceles. Otherwise, return scaling. So that's the notes that I've kind of come up with this. Let's try and action those. So we need to check if nums 0 is equal to nums 1. Oh, nums 1 is equal to nums 3, or 2 rather. So if these are equal, we're going to return equilateral. And then we're going to say elif or then we're going to do sorted underscore nums is equal to sorted nums. Then we're going to say if sorted underscore nums 0 is equal to this, or the last two are equal to each other, then we know that it is isosceles. And then we can just put an else statement here, and we know that it's going to be scaling that we're going to be returning. Cool. Let's run the code, and it was accepted. Let's hit submit, and wrong answer. No. How could that have been? Let's see. This test case. Oh, that's why. I was being a bit silly and could not spell. That's why. Right, okay. Let's see if it's only my spelling that was a problem. Nope, it was something else. Why is this wrong? So it has to be. Why is this not? Return a string representing the type of triangle that can be formed, or none if it cannot form a triangle. Since the sum of two sides is greater than the third side for all three cases, therefore it can form a triangle. So what happens here? We check that when you add the two nums, it's greater than the other one. So we can write a comment that says we can do a check to see if it is return none. Oh, didn't mean to do that. If we go here, don't know why it's showing up as an error here. But let's do this. We can say if this plus this is list is not greater than nums2, or, and then we just have to do a couple of these. So we've got 0, 1, 2, and then we need to do 1, 2, 0, and then 2, 1, or no. So we've got 1, we've got 0, or we've got 2, we've got 0, we need 1 here. So we can put 0 in here. If any of these are true, then we return none. Cool. Run code. Invalid syntax. Okay, so I think this is not greater than. I think we just need to do less than or equal to. And then same here, less than or equal to. And same here, less than or equal to. Let's hit run code. These get accepted. Let's hit submit. Friendly. So we got success here. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.